Alright, so this right here, this is my Samsung Galaxy C4423. So this right here, this is the if you watch on your YouTube, the color is red and body is white. So this right here, I am yesterday night this phone going to the color from to show white coloring my phone because that I also because that I once going to the cellular from going to the number cat of this body is white successfully of this right here. I am last night going to the cellular of the going to the my color of the one going to the body fully white. Okay, and let's go to bed here, and that's it, and thanks for while watching. And then this is the Samsung free body of the bonus this video.